Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect JBL speaker to Mac, instant link step by step clearly. To connect your JBL speaker to a Mac, start by ensuring your JBL speaker is powered on. Locate the Bluetooth button on your JBL speaker and press it to enter pairing mode. You will hear a sound or see a flashing light indicating it is ready to connect. On your Mac, click the Apple menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. If not, click Turn Bluetooth on. Wait for your JBL speaker. Once it appears, click on the Connect button next to your JBL speaker's name. Your Mac will establish a connection with the speaker. You should hear a confirmation sound from the JBL speaker once connected. To set the JBL speaker as your audio output, click the Apple menu again. Go to System Preferences and select Sound. In the Sound settings, click on the Output tab. Choose your JBL speaker from the list of available output devices. You are now ready to enjoy audio from your Mac through your JBL speaker. Test the connection by playing audio to ensure sound is coming from the speaker. If you encounter any issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting the speaker. Once connected, you can enjoy hands-free convenience for music and calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.